In this video, I'll show you how to change the download location in Google Chrome. If your files keep downloading to the wrong folder or you want Chrome to save downloads to a different drive or desktop folder, this quick tutorial will help. First, open Google Chrome. Now click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the browser window. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. On the left side, click Downloads. Here you'll see your current download location. To change it, click the Change button. Now choose the folder where you want all future downloads to be saved. Once you select the folder, Chrome will automatically use that location for new downloads. You can also enable the option called Ask where to save each file before downloading. When this setting is turned on, Chrome will ask you where to save every file before the download starts. This is useful if you download different types of files and want better organization. And that's it. You've successfully changed the download location in Google Chrome. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more Chrome tips and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.